Your measure's not found in how much time you have on this earth. It's what you do with the time that you have. These people have suffered for too long. Change the course of history. Go. Ask him what this wire's for. I don't like that at all.
I don't think you're Taliban.
No one's ever dared to go in there.
I don't think anybody was prepared for what it was going to be like. Some of us had the worst in mind.
They're fighting not only for this war on terror, they're fighting for their fellow soldiers.